Welcome to SmartAds with Rayhan. In today's video, we are diving into an incredibly important feature of Google Ads. Google Ads schedule. First off, let's understand what Google Ads schedule is. Simply put, it allows you to control when your ads show up. You can set specific times and days of the week for your ads to appear, ensuring that you're targeting your audience at the right time when they are most likely to convert. So, why is schedule important? Well, think about it. If your business operates mainly during specific hours, let's say 9 am to 5 pm, there's no point in showing your ads late at night when your target audience is not active. Google Ads schedule lets you fine tune your ad delivery to match your audience behavior, saving you money while boosting results. Google Ads dashboard, locations, more settings, ad schedule, pen icon, ad schedule, ads run for Mondays to Fridays. Nine am to 7 pm. Mondays, Make sure to monitor which times and days bring in the most conversions. The digital landscape is constantly changing, so be ready to adjust your timings accordingly. That's it for today's video on Google Ads schedule. I hope these tips help you optimize your ad campaigns and take your Google Ads game to the next level. Thanks for watching Smart Ads with Rayhan, and see you in the next one.